Taipei Mayor Jiang Wan-an inspected the affected neighborhood near the collapsed construction site on Dazhi Street in Zhongshan District, Taipei City on Friday. This inspection followed the evacuation of 369 residents from their homes late Thursday night.
We have arranged water trucks and grouting trucks to continue grouting since last night. We also evacuated 197 households comprising approximately 369 residents to stay at 9 hotels as a preventative measure. Next, we will stabilize the current condition and maintain ongoing monitoring of the collapsed building and nearby constructions through underground monitoring systems.
The Dominican International School suspended classes today after cracks appeared on the running tracks and walls due to last night's construction site collapse.
An alleyway near the Dominican International School collapsed yesterday after severe cracks were identified on the wall. During an inspection, cracks were also discovered in the sports field, indicating signs of expansion.
G-Type Properties expressed sincere regret and pledged to take full responsibility, providing assistance to the affected households in a statement released today. However, affected residents expressed outrage toward the city government for ignoring their previous petitions to inspect the site. They also complained that the company had reassured them about the safety of its work before the incident.
Representatives from Key-Type Properties conducted door-to-door examinations. We informed them about what happened, and they assured us that there was nothing to worry about.
According to experts from the Civil Engineers Association, preliminary findings indicate that the affected area consists of soft clay layers, and the building tilted due to a bump in the layer. The team will conduct a thorough investigation to assess the situation further. This is Isabel Wang for TVBS World Taiwan.